Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome. Today it's actually Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, October the 15th, 2022. I've told you earlier we have no additional in today's newspaper, so I will continue with the yesterday's edition, the Friday edition. October the 14th, 2022. We have three puzzles left here: the Letter Sudoku, the Two Stars, and the Tectonic. And tomorrow on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. I will do the Tuesday edition. Yes, the Tuesday edition. Same puzzles: the Letter Sudoku, the Two Star Sudoku. Yeah, it's the Tuesday edition then. And we have here one with a tectonic with one star. Yes, that's tomorrow. If I have some spare time tomorrow, I will do the samurai sudoku. Yes, but first let me do this letter sudoku. Let me solve this letter sudoku, and this will be number 5333. Yeah, 5333. And it's a letter sudoku. The goal is to solve this word in the second row. It's a Dutch word. I will translate that if I solve this word. But the the letters I can use are the letters U, the S, the N, the E, the A, the H, the W, the R, and the I. And we have, let me count. Before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. If those are digits, I need to be faster than 15 minutes, but for letters, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes, that's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. I see an H in this row, H in the middle row, so the row be above. The only two places left for the H should be here or there. We see an H in this column, no H there, H should be there. Alright. Okay, the R in the first column, the R in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the R should be there. Three missing letters in this column. Two of those missing letters are the I and the R. We have an I and an R in this big square, so no I and an R in this box. The I and the R goes in those two boxes as a pair. I and R, I and R. We have an I. Oh, sorry. We have a R in the second row, so no R there. R should be here, and I goes there. So one letter is missing now in this column for the letter. Let me see. The S is missing here. The S is missing. So we have a S in this row, S in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. We see an S in the middle column. No S there. S should be there. Yeah. S. Then. R in this row, R in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the R should be there. Okay. N in this row, N in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in this column, no N there, N should be there. Okay. Yeah. Three missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an S. We have a S in this big square. So no S in these two boxes. So one box left for the S in this column. Third column should be there. Okay. So U is missing here. U. Okay. A in this row. A in the last row. So there will be 3. The only place left for the A should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is E. We have an E in the last row, so no E there. So the E could be here, could be there. E in one of those 2 boxes in this row. E in the last row. So there will be 3. The only place left for the E should be there. Okay. And I. 2 missing letters now in this row. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the N is missing. I and N, I and N. We have an I in this column. No I there. I should be here and the N goes there. Okay. We have an N here. N in the last row. N in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the N should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the R is missing. I and R, I and the R. We have an R in this column. No R there. R should be here. And the I goes there. R in the last row. R in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the R should be there. 2 missing letters. Those missing letters are the E is missing, but also the I is missing in this row. Yeah, the I is missing. Let me mark those. That means 1 letter is missing in this big square. For the letter U is missing. U. Yeah, the U. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. H is missing. And the S is missing. H and the S. Let me mark those. H and the S. Alright. R in this column. R in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places left for the R should be here, here, or there. We see an R in this row. No R there. Here and R in the second row. No R there. The only place left for the R should be there. Okay. H. Yeah. A in this column. A in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the A should be there. And H. Yeah. E. Come on. W. Need a W here. 2 missing letters in the third column. For letters A is missing and the U is missing. A and the U. A and the U. We have an A in this row. No A there. A should be here. And the U goes there. Okay. And now 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a U. We have a U in this row. No U in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the U should be there. U in this row. U in that row. So there will be 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the U should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. I is missing. And the W is missing. I and the W. We have an I in the middle column. So no I there. I should be here. And the W goes there. We have I in this column, I in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the I should be here, here, or there. You see an I in this row, no I there. Here an I in the second row, so no I there. The only place left for the I should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 2 missing letters in this column. For the letters, the H is missing, the H. And the S is missing. Yeah, the H and the S. The H and the S. We have a H in this first row, so no H there. H should be here. And the S goes there. Right. And now, U and the I. No, U. U and the A. No, U and the N. U and the N. U and N. U and N. W and the E. 2 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the W is missing in this column, W, and the E is missing. Yeah, the E. I need an E here in this column. We have an E in this row, third row, so no E there. E should be here, and a W goes there. Right. 1 missing letter in this row for letter E is missing. Okay. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters W is missing. And A is missing. We have a W in this column, last column, so no W there. W should be here. And A goes there. A. Okay. Let me see. W. 1 letter is missing in this row for letter I believe. Yes, the I. Do you have all the I's? No. E and the I. We have an I now in the second column, so no I there. I should be here. And E goes there. And all the I's are used. Wait. And all the I's I can see. Huh? Wait. Well. We have all the I's. Oh yeah. And all the I's I can see. No, and all the ones are used I can see. Yes, and all the I can and all the I's are used I can see. Yes, that's the that's the sentence. Yeah. Letter number 1, letter I. Okay. Let me see. E in the third row. E in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the E. Could be here, could be there. We see an E in this column. No E there. E should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters E and W. We have an E in the second column. No E there. E should be here. And the W goes there. And all the E's are used I can see. Letter number 2, letter E. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. U is missing and N is missing. U and an N. U and an N. Cannot fill this yet. Two missing letters in this column for letters. A is missing, and U is missing. A and the U. A and the U. We have an A in the third row, so no A there. A should be here, and the U goes there. S, W, and N. N is missing here also. Okay, N. Need an N. How about the U, the A? A in the third row, A in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the A should be there. And now we have two missing letters, the U and the N. We have a U in the first column, so no U there. U should be here, and the N goes there. The U in the first row, the U in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the U should be here or there. We see a U in the last column, no U there. U should be there. Two missing letters in this second row. The W is missing and the S is missing. W and a S. We have a W in the last column, so no W there. W should be here and the S goes there. We solved the word warenhuis in 16 minutes. In English, storehouse. Yeah, it's a storehouse. H and S, we have an S now in the last column, so no S there. S should be here, and the H goes and there. H in the last column, H in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the H should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter. The N is missing, I believe. Yeah, N in the last, in the third row. N in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the N should be there. Final letter in this big square for the letter S. S is missing here. S. I need a S. S. Yes. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue in a minute with the other two puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars and the Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.